Hello, dear people from body music community from all over the world.
Hello, this is Ana.
This is Marko.
We are a duo of theater and music performers called Alice in WonderBand.
And we are coming to you from a national park of Fruska Gora from Serbia near the city of Novi Sad. This is one more workshop in the series of new Balkan Rhythm workshops, and it is our wish to make a festival of body music of Balkans called New Balkan Rhythm. But for now, since we don't have the funding still, we are doing this series of free body percussion and body music workshops videos. So if you'd like to support us, please find the addresses of our Patreon page and our PayPal below. And you can always find us on Facebook, internet, Instagram, Twitter, everything is below.
YouTube.
Yeah, well, you found us on YouTube if you're looking at this. So last time the first workshop was of Macedonian song Jovano Jovanke, and since we are doing workshops from Balkan music, we are doing odd rhythms. It was 7/8, and today we are going to do a song from Albania that is called Bukuroshe Lales, that is in 12/8. So prepare yourself and let's go.
Start now.
Let's first learn one model of body percussion. We are going to do this with raising our feet and beating on our ankle and then on our thigh. So you start first with the left. It's 1, 2, 3. So this stomp is also a beat. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, and one more. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do it with the right. So we go with the right foot. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and once more. 1, 2, 3. Part A of body percussion would go like this.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2,
Clap,
2,
foot,
3,
chest.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
And now we will do the same pattern but on the opposite side, symmetrical. So we start with the left foot and we do the chest with the right hand.
And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, chest.
1, 2, 1.
Let's combine the right pattern and the left pattern, changing always symmetrically. Right, left, right, left.
And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Now let's combine it all slowly. So the model that I do goes after the chest.
And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1.
1.
This was the part A body percussion pattern, and the part B is somehow similar to what we did in Jovano Jovanke in the previous workshop. So we did this model in 7/8, and now we are going to do 7/8 on the right side and 5/8 on the left side.
And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
If we put in the stomps also, we get this.
Stomps on the third.
On the 3.
3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
If we put inside also the snaps, I will do the snaps and Marko will do the pattern, and then afterwards we will combine them. So I start with the left snap and Marko starts with the right
chest.
And
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
And now we combine the snaps with the body percussion pattern we learned before.
And
And let's do now the transition from the first pattern to the second, from A to B. So we start with the right foot and with the right hand when we go to B.
And we do it 4 times.
Yes, 4 times A and 4 times B. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And the transition. Bukuroshe, Lales, Bukuroshe, Lales, Thank you for joining us for one more workshop of New Balkan Rhythm.
Thank you.
If you'd like to know more about the song Bukuroshe Lales or about song Jovano Jovanke that we did before, just follow the link you have down below and you will find something on our internet site. And please do subscribe and follow us on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever you can find us. Because we are doing this for you. So see you next time or on our next workshop, New Balkan Rhythm. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.